Nice. Teach me that later.
Yeah, sure.
What chords are they?
It's just D minor,
B minor.
D minor. Do it like a G7, flat 9. To C major 7.
She's borrowing my bag.
They're called 2-5-1s. So you can you can learn every key. And then you chill. So it's just that. Simple versions are just that. That.
So you're doing the sevens.
I'm doing the 7s and I'm putting flat 9s in as well.
Yeah.
So it just changes the chord from like that
Yeah.
to that to even nicer to this.
Oh,
So it's just
that's
really
gorgeous.
rich. And then you can even make it even nicer.
Show me the
that.
transition again slowly.
So
The basic.
the basic is that. That's a G
Yeah.
chord. Then you put G7s, that's a 7. That. And then you can put in the flat 9, which is that. So you take away the G because you've got the G there. You do that. Okay, and you can make it even richer. You can take away the 7 and make it a 6. And you can do this,
Oh.
which is super rich. So all together you get this. Really nice. And you do it in every key. But if you practice that, you can just do the left hand and then you can see mess around with your right hand and improvise.
So
I'll
you're
teach-
just messing with the scale.
Exactly. So one.
So show me the left hand transitions here.
So this is what I would do.
So sevens.
So that. Oh, it's the 7s. You mean simple?
Oh no.
So the whole thing would be
Yeah.
that, and then this, and then this.
Nice. Pluck off the notes for me in those places so I can make sure I've got it.
So you got D minor,
Yeah.
but then add the 7. So you can
Yeah.
add the C. Just do that if you want.
Yeah.
So you got that, and then you go to the G. So there's the simple version. There's a bit more complicated. And then to make it extra rich,
Yeah.
just move this down to here. So you got that, and then you got your last chord, which is C. But then make it nice. Add that, but then add this as well. Just put your thumb across. You got that really
Not
rich.
both. You're playing both with the thumb.
Yeah, so you just play both with the thumb. It's just nice.
How do you feel that?
Don't know.
Nice.
So yeah.
Oh.